The T-7 brings new capability to the training squadrons that they previously haven't had. Examples include we'll be able now to change a wider range of pilots, so now we can bring in our smallest pilot trainees all the way to our tallest pilot trainees. So beforehand, individuals that weren't able to become fighter pilots or bomber pilots now have that opportunity with the T-7. The T-7 has embedded training, which will allow student pilots to train against simulated targets, both being flown virtually or in a simulator connected via the data link. This capability is on our 5th gen fighters, and so we want to bring that capability to the student before they get to those jets. So the T-7 flies like a modern day fighter, and it brings capabilities that our next generation pilot trainees need. Growing up, I wanted to be just like my dad. My dad's been a huge role model for me, and is why I wanted to become a fighter pilot in the Air Force. And then I wanted something more in my life, and test pilot school was kind of that answer for it. So combination of my engineering degree, a drive for more challenge in my life, brought me to test pilot school. So after test pilot school, our DO came up and he offered, do I want to be primarily an F-16 pilot, or do I want to be a T-7 pilot, which had been recently named after the Red Hawks. And I absolutely wanted to fly a new jet, fly something with that legacy. Tuskegee Airmen have had a large impact on my life. I'm a 3rd generation fighter pilot. My granddad flew F-4s in Vietnam. My dad flew F-16s and F-22s, and now I fly F-16s and T-7s. So it's pretty awesome following that legacy, and obviously wouldn't be possible without the legacy of the Tuskegee Airmen before.
3 is complete and ready for takeoff.
Micro 5-3, fly the runway heading runway 12 left, you're clear for takeoff, wind 120 at 13, change to departure.
The T-7, the biggest game changer is going to be safety. This is going to be one of the safest jets for our student pilots to fly. The Red Hawk avionics suite is going to bring this jet into the 21st century, comparable to our 5th gen and next generation fighters. For the next generation of student pilots, I'm extremely jealous. This is going to be an awesome fighter to fly in pilot training. It's going to train you well for your next aircraft.